Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedim. Sini papa be na upe bi asha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedim.
I was ya mamo na enwa kwaba ene eye eda ukuada 25th August 2021 yatnasi na enyamre na Ghana nsam yatumi asinopi ebiebie so adomosiko adwedwe oman na ho amoman no atumi afana ntoma pa e de afra ye ka de fa wo ho no e wo so hwe atoto ni ye no hwe na atoto ni ye de fa nyina nso ho no ne nso agya tumi aye na aye ye na oman no atumi akoso se de be ya dachi bi enchirima emu ya for me din ede se Mike ahaya Kumawood TV o hwe nso abitu join e o Facebook Kumawood TV o like no share na ahofro e wo wiase nyina nso atumi enya bi ahwe uko YouTube nso a Kumawood television enei ya transia na ya ne mpanimfa kase mienu na yesi nkonwa Tuga regional communication team member of the NDC ono ebetnase na afi yatumi edi enkomo sanso Joshua Kwame Fuga na afi nso Eric Ochei Bafo NPP communication team member osan NPP founding member Australia na afi nso financial consultant ono so e ofie nyamre na etumi di nkomo me kai pa 2020 ye beto aba ofire bochire ba ye se ka bi gum wa inflation ye de be gaga eto aba wi e bosome nwotwe eno anu ba ko pe no fa nwa no boga ko ba ye ba ko pe ne boga to aba ye obesrai na afi nyamre etumi di nkomo na inflation no kan wa se ese de anyu fuwa no kona nim pa ese fuwa no obedanya ne bia no se wo ante de abedu pompe ho no na kakra eko but still almost say eye omo de compare abanada no a eye pa ebenyamre na nei yatumi adi eho enkomo na esoko piem wo progress interchange anya agro ho na manfo fufu ohom wo fufu to banada de no ho na omo de aye omo pounding site a omo edi ewo fufu omo pani ekopiem ewo Germany na omo pani ekopiem ho Ghana fo bi omo ho omo no say country no ayeta pansa ma so fix here omo de to an ho pa anya agro sanso na gabi wo chira ko enso kopiem ma na onso de Ghana for aye no ho pa no muza gabi na ante nyina na asesa ene ye oboga ofia de ne bedi nko na ebusa de effect a ewo na ebrebe na ehya ase a sade no ekoso a so man mu panifo ekopiem ma na Ghana for ho no so ye NDC for so ye MPP for depending on aban wo so na ye to me e mane wo mo edi wo matem omo so kwa inim se investors and am kopem e de omo aba enso no ene sen ebenyamre na yatumi edi ho enkomo de NDC amanyuko na nura omo friends and for Ghana and omo tuanum e kire mu say in fact omo atena se a adwendwene ho anwu so oman no se anya ne maba ko mienu miensa bi amfa nka ho ahwe na amwa omba ye no ombe ye bi so dem panifo ka no be ma baby o me yeri nyina ntene omo te akire no omo hu ne maba ko mienu miensa bi asan ko mo wo so anko me ye ne yie ai nei abenye ne yie ntomo sra ban dedi kan ene 1992 constitution no omo de aso mbe amend constitution no na etimi aboa abifite the current state ai omu as oman na afi east ni nso no omaka say yen split you na emuchemi no abetimi aboa amane etimi akoso ene electoral reforms a omo hwe ho kan say betimi aba na hono na asedun katia e kasahwe Ghana for kom na asia na ekonyame ani mu a ye mompa ma NDC for Fisa John Dramani Mahama in December 7th elections the koye a odin kopie mu e Supreme Court no verdict ne baaye no Mahama hu say ewia no nanso enam so pese constitution of Ghana kamem ka biamamu no etimi konanim na eto aso kosunti na wanya basabasa bia waje tum nanso Mahama to we sia na so dwene ho a hu say enye Ghana ho do pa de a na nkani kwa say waje tum the Ghana fo ko shira omo Asia John Dramani Mahama no so nkomo enso ewa ha enura santase na nya agro abrante ba kwa odi mfe be aduonu kra amzo wo heda nyasa na akoche abrante be ma keto akra 3 years abrema odi ne koye den an wasi obi so amfa ne mra na onkokunu no wonya sika nti ono no contractor wono no edi nipa na akomo nipa kro no na nkokunu nya sika na nyame ya adomu a adomfo bi eche no na ebodo mbo ne pa ne da nyame ase so mo enkunu fi so nkomu kunu a bi ananka mo hwehwe saade na se nyina no na ye hu omo nti santasefo a mo ye saade no apre mutimi bua ye ma abranti ache no no ye nam ase pa ewo de motimi aye no enso so ehu komo no de enei edoso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ena ede atudwa se sabre ye kasei omanu mu aye den na nansan ya okosha aprobo ase se thank you to order Ghana for ase omode mbo mbo to abama no nanka NDP for kwanim so Mahama onya kura no ene bi abe 32% na otumi nya boom over 44% ne de order Ghana for ase nemum onenam no ano akonse ade ba ko a adwen pa ne se ekom de Ghana for se 3 square mile day no omuntimi nya ekom pa de wo mo na wokan ya NDP for se dabi ono na efuel saade no na wakama Ghana for nyina ate se ekom de mo na wanka so yafunu ya no amfe wo se hu so yafunu ya ekom de mo pa ndi se ono na eka monka ema MPP for ente enya ono so na eka monka onu dum so man no emu ayeden pa enye agro no so nkomo ewa tewu for wo tewu omu ene aban issues ne bebre na adwadifo ni bi free outside Nigeria for no be mu no beto ne ma na ade tewu for say oboma aban 2 weeks so consensus no onhwe na ontumi address mo anya saade a ene omu so ne betumi ene aban no nyonyo no enye agro no so enkomo ha na Ghana Police Service say enkan tell me say police forms na babonten abane so fa police for omo SS leavers omo ekuta degree mom kuta diploma na emmum no omo se enkan them say frosters na omo ha se wure mu no say o de ko Ghana police service website ko performance ni bito download fill it never ko 100 Ghana cedis na afi no onso etimi efa wure mu bi na emmum mo bi ju sika so do ko Ghana police service na omo wonya akonya de a nya no kre nti won so happy police mu awura no na why very careful na afi ne man so etumi abwan sam no de bedoso bare ne transe a yediti edika ene nyamre na afi etumi ene etumi edi ho enkomo once again ma mema wadwo na mema akwa medin ede se mic mo amohwe yen ede afa mo nane se yanopa emo ache ewi a emo ha na afi enwumre nso a yema adwo wo hwe yen enso ifre bia na bia ta no ti bia no eno ena yetumi ache no memedin ede se mic ha Kumawood TV imedi no sinopi ebo akwa madwoada ede ekosi fiada 4 to 6 p.m. and I and I can trust you say ha enyamre na ye detailed analysis na ensama ye busa no ejina fa akon ye nkomunkum ene ye nkonifa obi akwan man na jenche so etimi banti o hwe ya onya mistake kra se ni o hwe ye mfa seda emfama ya boafo our travel and logistics omo eboa ye ama ye de dwumade no etimi e de adrosan so na God's Way casket shop Kumasi Asafo Liberal about ho na omo ewo Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center enso ewo kwawu atibi Kumawood Training Institute ewo Kumasi Ahonjo Atenga Junction and have a stardom emen dare na nya agro talent no enya agro kra na menim se nipa tumi budan ballet fa to be 8 na ojina nanem fa de bra nyame aro na 11th also be show de na afi hu se de nema ebesi akọ once again wadwe nchira no de beba na enyamre akenkan etimi edi amount join your Facebook so na afi yentimi eni enkomo yenchiawo na afi yenchia doctor Oheneba Danso o Konfanoche Teaching Hospital o ye CEO doctor yenchia na nyumre pa na afi nso doctor Bakudua onso o ye Ghana Health Service for company for am MPP for amaji atum so babo MPP amanyeko no onso na odo ma no na yakofare bai onso yenchia ene enyumre yetrase a nyamre atumi adi enkomo yeva seda ma honso nyamre na ohwe owura Eric Ochei bafo founding member edema NPP Austria atrase sanso eno communication team member for the party and boga obeboy pa meduna ka say NPP winia na omomo na ne obeboy pa no owura Ochei bafo enso no di makotre pa yema na kwaba na fi yensa ko matwetwe no ase bob kwaba
ye ni afa igeze
eze jadi ni enya mo fra na
edia
boga no
oh is it the local boy
first dey negina mo pa who say first no be from Otiba
and there is boga why is it the nyina e boga ezi nyina e boga because o tu gram no tu okura no bi kura bi kura say okura na ona ice na dey oh is it the anani
me kai say first no na e ofafo me fi wonwe
okay
I just wonwe oda ho ho so dey betumi aka say o ba santemanta mu a o mo se fie bia broche ni wom
yeah
na o mo ba sa
anya asante achim
okay na o mo ba sa no a bo se wo fa bi kura so e wo bi o ye na djuma otumi ja djuma no na wa ba no di bogachi na wa mi kura no di bogachi
dinati za
ene boga fa mbo munya fans bi o
David is obia nyu obia
ni abre e na djuma o nya tam
boga is it obia boga kon kura e ba kura mana mama na moto
right
is it the boga be no
ba se bia bako
na mi adom bia bako
we dey after winning elections mo ba ben mo bo so me motweni o
yeah
NDC Neelant Vanderpool ene minority in parliament say nyame ya adom a is a parliament of recess omo resume pepepa omo e de minister for local government and rural development Dambotwe omo sermon before parliament to come and answer questions the entire MMDCs muntimi famaye ene enko sorry a John Bodo so wampani return fi Germany a what the list no baba bonten ama ye hu mo be MDCs adana psychologically mo ano mo ha mo party man bisa party man ye mo da so ye acting no cause onim so onya ato aso se onya psychologically ana mo yesa adana so na mo ma development local level no say as ato apin with the kit will be just in two.
Yeah, with a brief. Sir Mike, most of my Juma, especially money the entire team in my Juma. Because we had a proud to election, even during election and after election. Yeah, who knew my Juma? Because so share most of all the campaigns were done through media houses. Nah, yeah, my most so Juma. Yeah, well, and it's true. Say, Oshe, your cancer governance, decentralization, Ninya rely on this MMDCs, so. Yeah, and it's a back neck or basis into active government businesses and other things, no, it is standing at all. But I'm paying for baby say, or so back where dry enough so Maya. Nice or yen who ye. Yeah, because so share research is a buy, maybe see lose to number of seats, no money a year of a parliament. The clearly tells you, say, NPP, before so mobile, don't take any decisions, Now there has been a thorough research on that. I say no more due diligence and son of my day coming out with those the party feels say they can help the party to break the 8 and as a retain a best national retaining seat no ABM. The aim be there you find I check because social over the years now. By April, May, for his first term, now say all these MMDCs have been we are forming now. Now we now battle. It say I check and I'm things getting no memory but we believe in NPP government. Now do down Kwekufano so or down and every biano we know say is at the right direction and a year more my Ghana any political party. So since you want there. That is the little thing I will say on that.
But I will cast about Chega no yen we party mano unim say at least say ne krano sasema si kwa asema si likely say we me and some we there in ba ko be bitumi aboa my party no etumi agina munni sa de no ho.
Oh well, who's the Osha MMDCs near you now? Holding yen shada any say succession. Fine, will be unlike say other who's the NPP. I can tell you say from another back down now. We have a succession. They build leaders to think we need one man or be taking over. Unlike if you move there, say we free or crowd we wouldn't share the new beer. Oh, Fugaba or the Emir so you may do NDC for so late. We don't be late. Fugaba will be in chair and come out. So. And for MMDC's air quality, it's a local government in America. It's broad, it's huge. So you look MMDC, so here DC and MC and SMU, you have a whole or a chain of job under you. And for say a do be bano, also we have very due diligence. That almost share a nipa a deneba na ababa be take over. And yam pray a whoopee. Say the general secretary of the party Ababa Bekasa, the president.
Very soon. Very soon. Na sense okra no you jinahen and so ebeka very soon nibi. Lot of the party members are saying very soon. The leaders not very soon. When is the soon?
Ebeba. Soon so soon ebeba. Ebeba said them penny face penny jari we are in so.
There is this school of thought among for so speculations say as a ye we no to ensure say the mother beba no will be obey somebody Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bamia ebetumi na ye adwuma na bia boa no ama no enya bid no to contest 2024
NDC for na yes sir the woman so bibia mo no assumption na ne no the only party timi wo a whole departments almost say more propaganda.
And yes, you say first no.
But when I say, it's their hallmark. I don't want say propaganda. Everything they do. They almost said that who school tactically. Tenacity, assembly, ma infect no say the city. It's no more there. To no more years and yeah, Adibia, Yemubino, it's their hallmark. The man said the more exactly.
The young was almost 265 or so. District, metropolitan, municipal assemblies in Ghana, no. Enipa on the one thing, you be a boom, no. You better be more, any moment, some land crop. Is it possible?
Well, that's me. How say we some say me NPP ni, but it would be very difficult for me to know say we Alani we only few beer in him say you my you minimum declare. It be so difficult to say kwasi menu ya benten Alan and
but constance bia do bia ni mo bia o.
Ba me dey na wi me fila boti be ni nya hu.
Okay. Right. I was here eguso din komo waye nche ne fabra minim MDCs no. Urajan bodu say enche. Wampani Ifra monone ba. You just hen so kra ka say I think before wampani obi tu kwa ba ko bi mo ka so wampani ko ba list no wo de eja aye ready enche beba ama na wampani ba ye okọ obono na hafo na wampani esan de betu ja so me ka say ngongoto aba na nkan faji MDCs no NDC for ne Ghana fo bi ampene enti say omo sabo so bo list ne mai ebeba well ama wampani ko ye no General Secretary so yansa ntwen wampani ba list no ebeba well yenguso ntwen na wo bom paye no so no ko so abom paye ma candidate no te nyame na adom na ja mafia bia ngoma bia na omra na o MC no entimi emfa ema yetwa ho na yemra ye ba ebewura mu on the NDC call for the 1992 constitution to be amended na afi ya share the issue of Nanado akwantu a wotu any matter arising from akwantu no and afi so mahama some work so mine no emu aye den wo hunu sa ana hunu sa oje nche fabra na nyamre enkenkan entimi fa numbers no and a good screen as no ye abo from crack to mre ba ye beto aso
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo onwa asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete ho no chine techere ma te se abo ho no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa wo ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hono say abeye mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piao so ho adwuru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena suko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
Daddy,
Say ya kwanto ne ho hihye pade a eno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour. Eye dwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye atomu. Obo ma wo your birth certificate, passport na wadi wanim amwade visa so domestic and international airline ticketing there. We number 1. Odu be konkro bi to say USA, Canada, UK, South Africa, South Korea, Japan, Israel, China, Russia. Any amanye de Schengen visa du onjuma nyina so. No du kodura manoni a. Baabi a obeda ene adwuma obeye nyina so obepe e de amount. Adisuafo mu kosua de e wo Canada, UK, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Australia, Belarus, Switzerland, Ukraine, Russia, USA. Any amanye keka ho nyina so odem bekwa kodura sumdue mu jojo na odem kodura emra mu sua de no so osape adwuma mamu a mo ye adwuma mu hunu ha bia. Venisberg Travel and Tour head office e wo Kumasi Santase ene opokuare school ene de animhwe bekwai odo Tobiri Bank in Chepe Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwe freya ne e was 0242 902799 and 0502603337. Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene e dayen so.
Well, I will hear. You say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We na fa ko wi film na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ya dena ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diguma na ma me wai so wa
e bu sa yenko no Kumasi
na mo ko Kumasi
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo the busu pani asuma me semina me padaka e Kumasi akamara na me so ya chini yenya daka yi
na nsani na semu na that's why wo shia me dia we need problem kra wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana ana me na na kwabedantwi wo to na nanu ansia do ne eje yi ni bo me so e wa bre de me ni kapre odu obi na kire me grocery casket shop e wo Kumasi labor hire me ko ho no ma anu musa ni me yes kan hye ye wo wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me famra no iswa abezu ye se me ambulance na me sam fa de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ye ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se Kumasi stay by plan no ye ko na mo kire wo some grocery casket shop ye wona ka me bere se se de mo hu ni na grocery casket shop ye wo Kumasi infantile town ye di labor office na ben grocery casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
The winner is Carrie.
2 takes.
Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie no. Say season 2 audition no e basso den. Stardom season 2 audition e basso live. We your ba ana we ye berima wonim nyum to. Nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo be kire obobredia. Stardom season 2 audition 2 ye di audition a edi kan no akona wie ye. Say de audition a tosu mienu ene de ebremu aye 11 September yimu ni da etoso edu baako ye de season 2 no ehye so bomodin say obaba ba pick your form fa beje o Stardom na achede e womu no de eye bebre aye Saturday a ebe ya bomodin say wonso obaba na obeje o Stardom audition no beye butu but number the good screen is no aye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni se sia na fe ye church mu ekwan a obefa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so e wo Kumasi anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern region se wo Western region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina bomodin se 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumasi ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe
pepepe ene de audition no hyehyɛ so anopa no ndu pepepe eye 10 am na ya hyase ye de dim sa ekosi 4 pm eno ti ba bia wo bia tutumnikai na won so fa wadoma kyede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
Ogoso Sinopi, we are live on Kumawood television. Ogoso Edin Komo. MC Bakwa send me message. Honorable, was my boss of power. Psychologically, no, omunye stable. Cra. Is all the one to Yakumiana Suono. When we saw what Tanasua to us, say all crew. Into a class, some of the and you psychologically. It is affecting them. Honorable, oh, heaven. Me dance message in Musaka. You go so kebi mama. Oh, the Samba. Why? Where's Samba? Well, Kwame Fuga Trasi, Joshua Kwame Fuga, a regional communication team member of the NDC in Ashanti region, the finest. Kwame Kwaba. Boko dear. Good. Kwame, your outfit added to me. Your outfit added to me.
Outside the utility. You could do fair no could die. Oh, no, that. Kwame said for to move. I 4 out to 6.30. I will change my tomb. Maybe on a bottle to my and at the gun, I was able to come with us. 3 factors. Into way no. The factor is the exchange rate. Okay. So you see, it is serious. And the system is very difficult. Now COVID-19 tax, the area buy a minimum motion. And now the same tax. This is very difficult. In the water, you talk. Moboto, see a roboto crab word in China. Is it Busana? You know, it was started. Eh, there was some Busana. You know, can't want it was started to try and be. Residents are Fugaka. Call it Yamiadum. Michelle, you might say on TV 1 year, 5 months. Michelle t-shirt that. Obi message you there. Michelle t-shirt. That is my first day. I am going for one. Yeah. It maybe a baby say or you uncle your man is gas uncle India and I said Senegal uncle Jedrum a meduma. On your magician. To create jobs. I do maybe in your president visa. It was a right. The NDC are calling for the amendment of the 1992 Constitution. The Constitution will never be below 1 year. Endra, I'm a press conference, and Anato Dazi, chairman of the electoral reforms for the NDC, they are to and then again, I'm say IPAC no crown, it should be backed by legislation. Said the bear beat me abwa, my almost Omubedu, Nanya some content, our can some Nibisa. Joshua, Mona, more a press conference, no. Amendment of the Constitution, no. Any meant you. What's I'm to say? My main and chair 1 hour Kumawood TV. Mentia a party for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Where you're quite thinking toward. Yeah. Sure. Yet that Ghana was it would be from one. Munyawo, the NDC, and John Dramani Mahama. This issue on the Constitutional Review Committee, Papa John's Evans and Camels, and was setting up Sa Committee. Papa, you wouldn't be a separate pastor and coupon in Shida Amanakra. If you would be the Almighty Father should continue to bless him. He was such a blessing to Ghana and to Africa and the world. Because we share Papa no Sebi, Vision and no woman Ghana.
a oba ye enuma na egugu akoma ye papa for ashase otwani na so I can mention so many of them obekaya asukwa interchange na saa time no you need to amanga for no no much asukwa interchange na sikakra ya papa e buy so be make sure so cash man you two amanga for na ga dance for na no me capitals no
Mouse buy any into amanga for oh Samu
it was our project
yes. Oh okay because me carry that story nepa how difficult it was for them to move to soccer buying.
Me and my father, and I need DNA, Reverend Fuga, and I need DNA man, son, you Timmy too. I'm going to go for no. If you are a just young cuckoo, soccer buying will be and son, I hate me.
Okay.
Look at such difficulty. But Professor Johnson, I said, Sebio or my penida da before the shot it on and then required to the aircraft.
Yeah.
It is because of say we believe that governance is a continuous process. I think some masha say fit a honey. Nano na ye papa President Ekufuado. I will say processes are the only predecessor Johnson Bantatamos. If I saw this setting committee or the constitutional review, I say Emlemuno and need one. And it was such a sad statement from the sitting president because that committee recommendation, you work out almost about 6 million Ghana cedis. It's about 979 page work. As a committee, ne kuku down for no more so any member of parliament are no multi committee in this one. As some ever paka and say, and can back on review committee. I was set for parliament. Not parliamentarians following a bobo money assembly a day. Fine. But it doesn't warrant you to tell us, say, Sebio, a Juma, because they want to almost every part of this country to collect information, to sit down, not because, said, man, also almost the existing constitution, a nipa, at a point, you see, a constitution from 1992 to date, it's almost about 30 years. I don't know, some new meaning, Timmy, at the nation, when I said, constitutional and net, yet, me mean, Ababe, Ghana Bible, no. I will see a Timmy making sure, say, the constitution has been reviewed. That article 71 of this whole this year and send me a mail. Nina, I will constitutional review committee recommendations. I pack in somebody in Nano. Ni now constitutional review committee is and let's say parliament now they approve it and then IPAC is the same and IPAC will be legally backed because it has been recommended in the same constitutional review committee recommendations. It's not a year NDC a bit baffling. Obekaya we're going to implement it and one Azar Asari or the issue in courts, Eka said that was in 2015-2016. He sent the matter to the court, Supreme Court of our land. Said processes are ever part Johnson Evans Atamos Efasuno. There was something wrong with the process.
Yeah.
Supreme Court of our land, and the ruling Abba said there was nothing wrong with the process.
Okay.
And that we should go ahead and then implement the recommendations. Because at the end of the day, recommendations can be implemented here. I was say called parliament.
Yeah.
Now parliament said the boom near Shenyoma was say a Jumo you say seem to be a day. Then we do the needful and then implement it. Now I mean the enemy one. And another down go for the why now you say you may give you back to say all the previous governments are sharing on to us. On one kasa a short commission. On one kasa tea, our committee no and making recommendations. No, trust more catch a commission at the end of the day.
So we issue white paper.
You see, you can use the legal means to rubbish a report. You can use a legal means to rubbish a report. But the point is it right or wrong? Because you know I set up the commission, the commission. Also, I'm going to say, that's one of not some of the committee and what the recommendations about. Where you sue in black and so up as him, so I can't be fair. What can
Now, was it legal? Or was it legal or it wasn't legal?
What said here? And I'm on community, there's nothing wrong with it. But you see, it is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely wrong. And then, Yeka said, the position now, Ojina said, save your CRC, Constitutional Review Committee recommendations now, it is not backed by law, no. They actually say, Supreme Court of our land, because there's a case study. Meaning, the man I know who want to go for an appeal in the same Supreme Court. Because he said, on the Mungo what's someone go Supreme Court, and we the bid. Which is very unfortunate. At the end of the day, your man in the penny you. Your man no atamos no penny. And then the what recommendations the muntia. You recommend you implement here.
Okay, so talking about that, you bet me action and say, well, young folk get here about the Mills Committee or T, you know. Now the president will institute new committee go into the constitutional review. Is it okay? Would that be okay with the NDC?
You see, the only reason the sitting president gave, and they say processes, a plan, you have a plan, Johnson, Thomas, a fast, a T committee, no, our committee should not see my recommendation or say a plan. It is wrong in law. That is the fundamental issue. You have a plan and to go for a Jumadia committee in a deal. And until if there is an evidence, says has no reason, will be raised in 2015, 2016. Emma Sassam echo the Supreme Court of our land. Emma, there was a judgment that came out. I was here this judgment near you. Unless the president want to tell us, say, Sebio, he doesn't also respect the Supreme Court of our land. Sebi doesn't also respect the Supreme Court of our land because the Supreme Court of our land has made an emphatic judgment on this matter. And until the air can say, let us go into the nitty-gritties. And never what recommendations and then what's your share as for mine. Because Article 71 office holders no and now we are on Wakasa or Mampeni also or Professor Tiama committee. Yeah. Said they should look at the review of the Article 71 office holders. Okay, say review nearby. Her recommendations are a Kufado, a committee or tea, her recommendation. They even smuggled the first and second ladies into the Article 71 office holders. Meanwhile, no, who predecessor recommendations or would they own get a copy of recommendations that a Thomas committee, etc. Go and see. How already you see Article 71 office holders no about from and not go by name no can say 71 office holders any new teacher for and next is for almost as me Article 31 office holders. I don't know article a manager almost woman. We should go by name you know that Article 71 office holders any the other public servants are. This constitutional committee no it reduces it and reduces the gap. And until media, if the president had an issue with the content of recommendations in let us look at the contents of the recommendations because I remember this as in the whole recommendations anymore. I'm not another that go for the also say you implement here.
Oh yes, also true.
Now I didn't say who used to the basis say acquire your papa Thomas because Thomas was the lawyer. And he knew the law. Send another to your lawyer. But Thomas was not such the law. And to cry the back Adusia and Mladishima. Thomas is far ahead of you, the sitting president of the Republic of that. Because I'm not quite not such.
Okay, Genesis for me.
And not in the air campus in the said. The NDC as a political party, we believe in the constitutional review recommendations. Okay. I shall say 2011. We met in office very 8 years now. It was because the issue was taken. What? And now a extensive work. It's a 900-page work. Not easy. The whole constitution. Obviously 3 years. Not only. I don't see the challenges that happen. Okay. If you ever say, this is the right time, and now Parliament, you all 137, 137, and if you be in and you go on this structure now, what Parliament see, and they are my, and you be here. But for the first time, we have the president coming from MPP, the vice coming from the MPP, and we have the speaker coming from the NDC.
Yeah.
So this is the right time. You need to get back together as a man. Get the assembly of Parliament. Say, and you remember one name here tonight. The Ghanaians who know say the politicians know they that don't want to say. Yeah, they have what tonight when they face the now you change it at that time. See, I'm focused on they say, and this near
look at that.
Yes, that's what people are saying.
Okay.
And let us disabuse people's mind from it. Look,
Right.
From a population of 30 million, you go for more.
Right. I mean, call about for see. Me too on this constitutional review. So, per the Fugekano, it seems as a deliberate by the president not to accept the recommendations from the committee, the late former president at why? Because ABR they believe say NDC and I was war and NDC committee no na commission no into the ABR no ABR it but all in all no even if kakrebi favor NDC and them on was why don't you sit down na aban no enyin to say yenhwem de womu bia ayebia no o man no yemfanya adwuma because the youth of today almost everybody is calling for a review amendment in the
so Mike me do asipi na me fa kwenye sunchia ubia sa do na fidi ato Kumawood TV
good
good most especially me brother Bako Francis Mbaga PhD who that was me can so
Francis Mbaga
wow
he didn't have the power
or he was me can so
and then I see
all right now me and my papa honorable says chapa emfa
oh I no office there
okay so you there as I want to say it being better out now
we dey mean can you say asem dey mean can you honorable was mean can you
so bad so ti dey nim dey obeso no
okay
so where
all right okay I mean try me home rasma ye try home ra na evangelist Richard Pra oh hey evangelist yen cha na nyu
oh be cha no ma be
oh hey ba
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma memene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo se me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na etia na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini
right I was say Emma akwaba egoso di nkomo wajenche ni apafa bra na yenkenkan enfama constitution the constitution yesi ache abodada ebra constitution o man nipa ketwa bi so hu runners cross na say this one e be bebre ho a na ye soja aban pese ye de back ma nka bi no na e wo se ye be kakra bitumi favor said ye be ya obagya tum se yenko ka bi amamu mu ene runners no bi o ne be bebre so ho ye de hye mu a mebundu do na akwa hu sese ye free mo bitumi aboa ama man ye ho atumi ato e this for the atoso se wampani hwe no wonye na entumi emwa and I won't come up and I did. All
right, yo, said the night Edin Kankano. Ansana meba constitutional review na abano. The Biana NDC at Dauma no more cassette. A by projects of inherited and no muja homa yet and no money. Yem quiet chink or cassidy jijato while mobile bejija any but a Nimuya and another buyer. Some of the projects are. John Mahama, Edna Sakoke Kaye, and the late Professor Fifi Mills Bayer, Nanado Bayer, what complete. Babe, in fact, the latest one we grabbed by Cape Costa, let's take Bobo, you move across Central Region. But I say, Bobo, we are Ukrainian Central Region. Oh, would I say a project? Aha, a project, say, me na Kagana. Aha, not just only to me, come and NDC for where they The major rehabilitations and upgrade of the Temale teaching hospital phase 2 was completed by Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Construction of 10 polyclinics in the central region. Gumwa posting polyclinic Bimon Mako 10. Stiffy Sunkwa polyclinic Ekunfi na Akwa Ekunfi na Akwa ya na Dawu Mpong polyclinic Mankron polyclinic Biliwa polyclinic Bisiansi na Akunfude. Now oba a year Greater Accra
all regions.
No, yeah, come on, yes.
Mama Santa region, Hani Butu. Mama Santa region.
Well, it's in all about 10,000 chip compounds across.
No, me busa Santa region.
Oh,
because there's a third time where NPP never was had the way. One more Santa region.
Me beba. Ti.
It's the third time one.
Ti. Say Ghana. Your projects ni bi o hon ma. Na edru the level I was so complete. And most of the Ashanti regions, they
complete now you be uncle number 2 car.
Oh, now say we nobody we say Ugogola, the American Biano, Ugogola, Biano is polyclinics in central region. Obeko, it tells you time and data on the
no.
Time
but in 4.5 years,
yes.
Ashanti region, NDC Mahama is a project BRC. I wasn't going to complete him.
Oh, na say, Okasa Memoba, dear Wahana, Abano, a complete available na mayor. If you answer Mr. Memoba, as your doors into my mayor day, Elmobui. Young go. You know, say, Omokase, Ababe, where Jai projects are no more yene. That be it's never true. There be a certain million of God. There be a kind. He's a very nice gentleman. Yeah, only evangelist pra. Papa pay na the view city pa. There be a Mkase, I never be a best send the message, be a better to bomb. But anyway, Befan say this now could join here. Say the TV, say. Who's a Fugaso father, a reverend minister, one of the most powerful way, partner. More 24. Yes, about 24. But Fugase 7 previous or join a propaganda party. Is over a secretary or as deputy secretary. Yes, you never buano, never bone chidom, because he's a nice gentleman. Propaganda and a dorsal. Winning. And pay for casting, you say, Obian won't move to for some pacodo. And I busa say Constitution 1992. I'm on a question a question kesi dawa ibusa. Ghana for and which government and then also.
And this
good. And now NDC from 1992 up to 2001. How many years? That is probably about 8 good years. And I could fall by NDC people so better now so and I also didn't kuguya. And I lost by in 2009. And in fact, or 2009, 2010, 2011, 12, and on one who say we were dear or Kokosata no who's on mine when Kui, and then the Bimugras at town who so your mills no so into a court setting up committee say, but who's on mine, the aircon in Kui, Tiaquabia or some setting up committee review. Na seven previous peniphobic can send me. Or this or no townful, and now so be an yard. Kono Kajo, my prepared me and EBS for Nakukudia. Unia, dear Gano Crana, say, oh, the command food and drop box, Rasa Moon Shimua. And you shim, Tiashu and Nukrana, 7 previous. Now, when he could see. Now, 2012 to 2017 is 4 good years. John Dramani Mahama Betnasono. Obohoa and yet home action. Yen na ochu mumule you know. Nana don't catch yourself by dinner of the Abanon too. Or say the process ne fine and family kwaso. Na me fuga can was say Professor Mills no chere emra na osara emra na ohwe na yimu kura na kan mlanim no kura kon kan sin na but it's never to Nanado is a locally and international lawyer. Ohwe ne track record. France, Papa is dini juma ba UK no Ghana ba ye no ma lawyers awadi to mu etu be ka say Professor Mills was a lecturer law lecturer in Tinebia ne ngoma sua nim na e konkan se na nado I mean this never true yeah dey kokko so it could be a lecturer say we say no but that doesn't warrant you say you know you are on top of
say lecturer be kwa student ba dey
exactly you know ema fuga ama no enko sa
fuga ka say mahama ba na issue no court Inti until said that
one hour bem one the issue in court 1 hour bem what trans 2012 2013 2014 2015 2016 2017 and over getting to 5 years went me afa no akoda adwene ho a ese enya yi na nado sabe onimra odimbra ena wo mu a wo ye sa amlande bae mu 1992 mu na mo koye amlande bae ena di o me nyama ese Ghana eje ho enje some of us are even calling for the review and the reform of what the amendment of the law. The same people, and one as acquisition Lamai, there be nade. 92 mona mo shem Lamai, I was good to and a mama acquisition, there be all see a tnase. A ma umu nimde. A cassa where you know what the aban, your mongu. Yes, you bury him. You say a factor say, or said the bro my gun, the bro my gun. Na yes na nado ebo emna nagu en eyi nuan mu se entinti ase wo se ko ba se mu na 1992 tabra ya nko parliament mu amotena se hye mla mo de ba ye na be yo Ghana fosu se henya ena ne atena se ya baba be du samwe the same political party ye twe ho ase free samla mu no mo amasa akwa ye mu ho adan ko dada adwa sa de mla fofraba under the auspices and the leadership of NPP say mo nyin sam to dabi I was sem penifo so eye yaje tum I was here hwem and na nato mo kura no hwem so mo gina simpi so no kura ba no kura say emra no say be review near de nyoma bebre de o say yifrum ye be yefrum de o say de kan de be kan say de be ya ti man mu manfo no e ho beto mo na enkonko ye de dan de nyina e farmer politicians and these are the words of NPP and Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo enye so abo agu fa mo de aba na mo se kwan ya ye fa so processes are mo fa so a mo de eyi ne koye no enye let's use the due process 2 ne mo de ababa 900 pages no yem pray ho enkotu mampomnika se dem ka say within 3 years mo ntimi enfa prepare enje sadene fantum enfa ma parliament me ma me yin vote nyenye ni sei ti asaba mo de mo famra na mom ye sape abadoko mo ma sa tenase because emra ye yemra manipa ye yemra emma sebe emra ye yemra manipa and the bia me ka say law is one of the greatest revenue and greatest assets for every country ade ma abrofo e konkan pa emra eno ne ma abrofo nya sika pa enti say emra yi eba na ya ye ni hie ama sanity and discipline aba system na say ye aduma unya be hu do man Ghana be siako law is money enti anya say bia ndi si aye tino ya prepare ya hu kikiri tine wa be gina na we to ayampia review the law we do on to we Ghana for amutie we na do wa ye odi mra o tremra o de momra o ni de de mra ye en onim de ndc ye mai 1992 mra o de ba ya abedi enya abesu se ti se o ka se munya abotre no be pa bedaku amado mo de ye ba no o mo review na ya pen promise brand ya confine no into one constitution about the year juma I believe say no ere ebe boy timi empre ho ne nye de NDC de Mahama nam na yenye ni say what na so ready for vice president now you are here won nam na say odo ho adon ne yi for na yes samla ye empre ho enkonko ye mra e ade a ye de eba abebu nipa atiti nipa abetritri nipa abetritri nipa amenipa ye kwan ne ye say ye de ye mfafo and why is the Bible so a Christian emra e Quran eno ena e direct ye nyina enti no e ho ne de
Nana Benyi Edu a founding member at the NDC Western Region. Good evening, Sir Mike. I keep enjoying your show. Please ask the NPP man talking. If Nanado knows the law, why should Nana Addo then ask the NPP party to be doing vetting for MDCs whilst this is illegal?
Oh, every every political party who said this is the first time on its own. And now share the historic background of Ghana. It has say every 8 years here. A better tradition say day. You free. And the two, share your governance now. This MMDCs no. They are the decentralized. They are the direct to the people.
It's talking about the law. That says maybe or say was a party maybe and a covert you be the no common penny and can say it has been our law. This is the first time NPP implemented. This is not the law. By law. This is not the law of Ghana. Okay. But these are the proceedings. Okay. The proceedings of NPP. These are the proceedings of NPP. Is the president ruling the country?
You see,
based on proceedings of the party and the constitution of Ghana.
Yes, I mean, can't say me joke. Adiaba could be na yen lipayana intimi entias and as opposition intimate Ghana NPP for call Ghana for so say mo fa tumi ni maye. Na mo de maye ya ye be say the amam. Na sa kwan ya mo de emaye no e kwa be so e na se mo de tumi ni mamia me so me fa so abetimi aye me a bo sha mo me de ebe mam. Okay. E di say na nado ana NPP atna se yen say yen NPP say for these processes and as the produce is so e de be bo o my Ghana yen pray on kopem say the NDC or more to ayi say what say
na nimre mu
oh
ana be ni de busa no na nimre mu
na be no fever that we a political
party founding member my NDC
or a founding member NDC or yesterday unia no am answer na
okay
he knows
Tiewe Fuga Sama, good evening. Please ask my brother Fuga why didn't JDM implement the constitutional review committee's work that has been done during the late John Mills watch. If Fuga's argument is anything to go by, then ask him why the 1992 constitution is being used by all political parties. Was it not written largely by people with NDC inclination? We Chamanusa said also the Obishano. Respond to man to see
Enusa, the Yabekan said, maybe a call representation of Okai. Constitution, I said, Nipa. It grows. In 1992, constitution is not I want Ghana to bring how many presidents? About three presidents for this Republic of Ghana. And I will share in
Rollins, Mills, Kufuor, Mills, GM, Kufuor.
So 5 presidents for this country. And so the success story of this current constitution, it is commendable. What did they make an answer? Name John Dramani Mama was unable to implement it within his period because that time na Ghana ni be Mr. Asare Azar. Yes. Or the issue Akko Supreme Court say a prayer ya papa Tamos efas our a constitutional review committee onya Supreme Court no aden kire e was that proceeding say e wo mremu anase enimrem ene na etwe ba ya 2016 and a ruling the buy.
2012 in the court for 4 years.
Court proceedings. And it is a whole constitutional review committee recommendations. And ya dibia obekaya sa constitution and go for tax revenue policy buy. I have a pananado ekoye kumi preco demonstration. VAT. It was this constitution. And the cover VAT in the buy and now me no can say. Nanado demonstrated against the VAT system. Today, Nanado is a beneficiary of that VAT system now. Now, it is backed by this constitution.
Likewise, the NDC was against free SHS.
Now, and is it also when they buy? It's almost when they buy.
The free SHS constitution, it has been categorically stated in the policy. It is a name here because they go for 1992 constitution by yeah. And the Open Constitution one. It has been stated that every single Ghanaian has the right to free education.
But time as to when.
But it should be done progressively. It is stated in the policy. And not another. And then when you interview almost every headmaster across all the second cycle institutions,
okay.
There's a problem with the PSHS.
I mean, Musa same way you. Minister of Education, their students are entitled to a meal a day, no. 2 weeks near some of the schools, every mother. But I know for them say, Omoko school, Domo Muska, Omeko school, no, not Adriana, so Emma. Now, what you some of the schools, if you are not head never can, and one by them. But it is real. Some of the schools, no, what you mean, day students now did it once a day, no, Modiano, Emma. Right, maybe to 4, we a teacher at Chance Methodist Primary School. So I see you make catering services. Color will need fried rice near the day. I'm report highway what the what you hold in Afa Mumere market opposites. And then birthday this week birthday no udia ukunu uje yabua say or we show happy birthday number funny na on my happy birthday or say you are the secret of his success. I mean it's that yen twa na yenya abo afon card from ya ba o man ni mo ayeden e na yenhunu ana say ebia emunya den yen kobra
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma memene da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom o sa gulu ankasa nkra no o sa twi gulu ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say abɛyɛ mremremre okay wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwantu ne ho hihye pade a eno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour eye dwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye atomu obo ma wo your birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amwaje visa so domestic and international airline ticketing there we number 1 odo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa di ondwuma nyina so no do kodura amanoni a ba bia obeda ene adwuma obeye nyina nso so obepe e de amawo adisuafo mu kosua de e wo Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA any amanye keka ho nyina nso odem bekwa kodura sumdue mu jojo na odem kodura emra mu sua de no nso osape dwuma mamu a mo ye dwuma mu hunu ha bia Venisberg Travel and Tour head office e wo Kumasi Santase ene opokuari school ene de animhwe bekwai odoto Biriwura bank nchepe Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction de animhwe freya ne e wo 0242902799 ana 0502603337 Venisberg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene e dayenso.
Well, our Pia, I say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We na fakoko with me. I said, I want to offer and say no more my drama. We know it. Now, Mfa and Concoy, take man my wife. I'm cool,
Martin Luther. Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah, Missy. Minia, obra kwantu ya o. Semina na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo. Na bisu ya pani asoma me. Semina me pada. E wo ma se akamara. Na me ma se ya chini. Ye nya adaka yi.
Yeah, Nansani.
Nansani na mo that's why. Wo hia me de we ni problem kra. Wo beje di se me free Dubai bedu Ghana. Ana me na na kwabedantwi. Wo to na nanom ansia do. Ni eje yi ni bo me so. E wa brede mi ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me go so casket shop. Ah e wo Kumasi labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu musa ni me yes kan hye yo. Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me papa no. Iswa abezu ya se me ambulance. Na me sam fe de be da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho. Omu ya ambulance service into ni problem kra. Ani na ye hia ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know se Kumasi stay by plan no. Ye kwena mo kwetira o. Some Cosway casket shop here. You will not come every day. To send you movie now. Cosway casket shop. You will Kumasi in front of New Town. You need labor office in the bank. Cosway casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
The winner! The winner!
They will call Dubai. Hong Kong and one licenses to operate. We are seeing in Dubai and Dubai. What day? Within 3 months or the visa amount. Not do I call you more when you have been so at me at the camera. Our force bra now unto me M1 0552-373-027 0552-373-027. Offer our for Omo Ebejo so Mala Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center so what to be Escafo Amantem in the eastern region of Ghana. Kwa also ko to be ho na mala bo se awo na wan ye de e de ama wo be ma no wa ware so yire no mu anase e bia odo ni ho o na te kura no na ye so no ani mi bi de te se bra na ontimi mu a oba opekunu enso wa ye a wonya bi won fe pa nso wonyo bia o se bra na o ma emehwa ene memehwa no na o yoba na nya memehwa na o yoba be ma za nya emehwa no wa no bia no ate de bi adwuma sem ayeden anase e bia obaso tukwan ena hwan yedin oba oso bebo na ayedwuma nkwan na pepa mbode am adwuma na abaso adwuma koso na nyes kan so a Madam Mohammed Sebrai na ontimi mo yare bia oba so bitumi abo eye twere edam stroke kwa na bu agudam a bra na afi ontimi emo Madam Mohammed ewo Eastern Region kwati bi ona ye CEO edema Unity FM to the do kwati bi na wayira kwan a na akọ Unity FM we friend 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 afi otumi aje so you go so a ye din komo aha Kumawood TV me din e de say Mike me guest ni o matrase a ye din komo leading member of the NDC communication team Joshua Kwame Fuga ewa ha sanso na Ostra Boga ba ko pe founding member edema NPP amonane na afi wasan financial consultant and so fia edi enkomo. Was it how can the country be fixed when you sell fufu under interchange? We need attitudinal fixing as citizens ourselves before the country can be fixed. Honorable Emmanuel N. Siako, incoming as send off MP, good afternoon. We junior planner. Now, I send off. I don't my nephew. How many could be on? Okay, I see. I mean, could be. Oh, okay. Amasco Spelele from Kasua, or say, so JDM, thank you, Tor, has now turned to castigating Nana Addo's government. Has he forgotten about the bus branding, a confirmed to Burkina and cancellation of allowances during his tenure? Jesus Christ, Lord have mercy. Okay, was it? Okay, I must go. Oh, dear, no, is here. Naomi, Jubi, and so Eddie, a free Nkoko. Well, Sir Mike, I like the submission by Fuga. This is fantastic. Greet him for me. Naomi, William Fuga, William, you, Fugati. Wati, Fugati. Odoi, and so, okay, Odoi Eddie free tema. Or say, when NDC can do it, they think so, also that the NPP too can't do it. But 111 hospital in the stipulated time, like how our children are enjoying free SHS. NPP promise and we deliver. Free SHS feeding will come. When will it come? And Kolano may say, how to me, I have my phone be a school. Day for no, Onya Danini. Monya aware. Minister, Onya aware. Yeka, has me be slow. I'm supposed to say him. I am no Juma. Actually, the Sassan John Dramani Mahama on his thank you talk, and I need or the other judge him say, in fact, a man my day or counsel, maybe before say my money day. Now, what best I'm crowded about the car said, on a fuel that corner so many more than Ghana phone coming. Was in your credit or minor. More than Panagana for and a mocha. I mean, shall say, Emfa in free GOT or mine more than said Mahama can run.
Well, yeah, William, last week, and the Buddhist counselor at the Emma Germany, Yamame Angela Mikkel, and in fact, if we are seeing now, she's been noted, say she's one of the most formidable female prime minister or head of state the world has ever had. Talking about Margaret Thatcher, Ghuda Maya Kadiri, Indiri of India, Mami Abababe, the pivot of European Union. And one on the pencil, what me capture the biggest economy around the world, and the whole Europe on a decline. Now, okay, statement me. Or say now, or say it will be so senseless and unusual for any economist to use the woe of this current economy of every country to discredit the government or the ruling government. Or say COVID year by you know, I best say you maybe and not share the economic powerhouse of European Union, Germany. Sika umasie twegu ewo mu economy said the BC Arivambo still crying, they are still cramping. US, the biggest economy in the world. Sika umasie twegu mu economy mu sika economy no beside the Arivambo and so no crying omo twefa omo you hear my Ghana you need any back axos bia and wakwa print sika e de agum. You can only survive with the little taxes. Uji a day of my hobby. And now, your maybe also now depending solely on tax. Say, would the developmental project. o man no ntinye dey enkoso na o hwede bia me ka say economy no if macroeconomic indicators no year 3 you leading the coincidence and all the lagging na o hwe say the Ghana na do be take over from 2017 to 2019 our Ghana is see a rising through here our growth rate interest rate policy rate share inflation share employment the we are pay the professional programs for the buyer a very resurrected economy now. It tells us a whole former president. I know one your former president Wababe Frabera Edema NDC John Mahama. It's me dressing peaceful. Eka say na memu mu de na ye na say the Ghana wo a hardship ye buy who be that. May remind the papa no say he has been a head of state before. See such words no ya na ye mu bi no pray per se e be free John Mahama whatever. Even if you say no I don't even expect such words no e be free enuma ebian ka benya say this Syria college ni bi na gomo ye dem eka because omo dey ya so omo nsem nkonkoka because omo nim economy ho maache na so omo di ho ma mo dey mo nimu mo timu bi na mo ni dey na ekoso mo time na Ghana mo dey cooperative with institution na mo dey ko say IMF nsa under harsh conditionalities some ye femipa ye wo koi we mu teachers 3 good years teachers tenase chira they never paid ama yenya president kadi then he president catches say mo pese mo be idea yes we say am reappointed to what start 3 years na come 3 months pay kromu ha enyenya universities then minister of education in 2017 2020 the running mate for NDC Professor Jane Puku Ajimai. She was kind of say education minister. She sat down called cabinet called Jitu say Mahama economy so to quite be as was a university for so 2 years school ayi. Who 2 years school fees and na wunwie. Ube tia water bill, tia light bill, tia boiler bill, tia toilet bill. At the NDC time and now call your universities to promo. And be very free, even up to say, Okwa, yes, I'm cheap, cheap, no. Put me the browser free internet. Wi-Fi free. And the minister so has into you now. Oh, now say, yeah. These are just yeah. Enti, sir, when you are so, not John Mahama, et me a baba to near Yirabeka. Personal mind more debt. Now, as I say, the more a year, you say, you drink one, you sometimes you think to me, the papa no Casao, no, I no Tibiana. It happened under our auspices, under his auspices. Yeah, nurses. Now, to be taken over, no more backdated 2012 batch that will move here. Ubekono say tepebe kajo say sikemi ho ti clearance nyede MI meanwhile other hospitals and here this personnel because patients no dose I have one dose but nurses before tra doctors before tra but NDC time John Mahama backdated 2012 nurses so mu school they were all at home cause John Mahama si sikemi ho. And me can say, they say 2020 almost service year, be porter. September ya. Na nado afa backdated down from 2012 na about 2020. Is year service. September next month, be porter. E dia to ama nurses mo amowie no. Obi anso enko register on the area up regional up district up ko eno clearance so ede. Abemwa ye koso. Abai we buy etna se hu say and this year buying any Kunya University for a fellow unemployment graduate association with Kurmuha. Omukwakaya John Buffy Ocean on call India, on call Senegal, Gambia, and Koja Dulu, and what your baby baby Juma. I was all kind of bro for Kora. I'm not a magician to create job. We have the president. And now we are done no adan ko dada dwe bia bruni akogye simpi so wan fere wokase won sini tras wa pagya na ni diawe na de so aka se Ghana for 7 prediasa ya yare adwi fie tenne ne ba ne wish ya na ye we fie ho na ne papa ya dane no ho e sa be ka kire se o mai mu ayede yenim covid adawromenti o mai mu ayede na so so no na bia ya na ye ka se nyame owo ne pa de mu bia se ne na wo de maya emu nyame so bo na do bra na papa yi Yesu Kristo de ne baaye ana Ghana for de ne baaye na do came at the right time because o share e bra Ghana ye wo ahotire mu da bia me kam se na do ye obi a ne ho akye ne pa wa momom adana me fuge ka se na do na ni try ye se na papa ye president ena ne busuafo madidi abamu ye training na ye onya experience no na so papa yi ba ye no na John Mahama e di akwa se abrofo nsa enkwaso IMF se wo ye budget wi a gise mo kwabana na John Mahama so no dese one se tepe no me de ko Washington na abrofo na kwa bebe mu a osia efuga no mafa na munyini mfrim mo hwe 15% of Ghana labor force no munyi mfrim cause that redundancy Ghana need physical space. I was say, omutimi reduce the labor force. Can Ghana, nanka ye be say NDC we need 2016 now. And Kobeti workers is to say boom 15% of the public sector. But a buy and so there be you quite a bit me so accumulate you so. The papa ye no at the same time we introduce this NAPCO a bias. Free SHS by September. Now we're starting recruitment. NDC era, I can't say at the Supreme Court. So now do IMF. For say in IMF conditionalities no point 3 no. Most of you need physical space. Into therefore, any can say about public sector. Now mo say a free SHS aba. Not double track no. Yes, teachers yes 7,000. You see, be additional 7,000. We are so far. Wasan so di bibia be friend NAPCO wasan launch ko nipa 100,000 obe mu madwuma entimu twam NDC e de koma IMF so hwem wudu I don't see there be NAPCO is a separate entity on entity and as an organism on its own. Okay. Yemfa eme and me no ka say by October omo ye NAPCO ayini nyina clearance aba ye befa omo fix omo be portal so atu asafe enipa the man mo nya den in short unia na me mamu sa analysis no me betra haka cho say o man no covid time no emu enye den na se be predators unia me ditro na mum abanda adan bi etwa mu na ahotre ohia kodan na ye tena fi kromu a dum so for 4 good years wo ye banks lemenka okwaje bosia na ye friend konko atim konko 35% 45%. And Nepali Oko Ghana lending data a be 21.21%. John Mahama should give us a break.
Yo, teacher, about Dom Adentina say and the free or say NPP party is the best and we shall continue to provide what Ghanaians need. And NPP new governance more than any political party in Ghana. We Ghanaians know and believe in NPP than the National Democratic Congress. And I really pity former President Mahama with his words. As a statesman, Ghanaians, Mahama is really confused. Okay, message no. Teacher Kuju, few about Tom Adentina say, no, I say regards to Honorable Professor Christopher Meya Kumfi, NPP National Chairman. Oh, okay, I see. I'm saying, good evening, please. Tell the NPP man, we the drivers, we cannot buy fuel always. Abubuado is increasing it. We are dying. Mustafa Ababo taxi driver. Mustafa, okay, wate NPP dinatipa. We say we can't. Okay, I'm Enoch from Apchema Trabum in the Ashanti region. And Ado and the NPP party cannot mention one hospital or polyclinic they have constructed in Ashanti region. Nanado and NPP party are disgrace to Mother Ghana and Ashanti region. Now, they don't talk about NHIS because they have collapsed it. NPP man did not prepare for the show because he has said nothing on the hospitals. We need, okay, NDC, was it 2024? Well, I'm going to go. Yeah. I'm going to say, more day. Now we want a Ghana food 3 square meal a day. No Ghana food. You say 2 no cars for a day. Yeah. Sana zumu nana.
Say my arabo one now we tie minya entry say wakasa no ombedi no ya pa because say such topics but one who are pay and no one who you know a say you accept some of these sentiments.
Oh, nah. Say Mike, say Mike. Me can't say. So obetia no ama me. Say me say emu.
Also all shots here no. Okoti one woman be now they. Amanika say it will be senseless for anybody to blame government say COVID-19 is a 17. So what they question government. That's the way who says who didn't answer. Debut and the Americans is only answer the Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia number 1. Because on the
what to say be the ben yet.
Said the same time to say
yet. Who's a debo how a penny pan do the drama.
What am I actually answer?
That's
the Indian make us ask them to amateur sign and say. Yet ye baby you and Mahmoud Bawumia a cover COVID pandemic. And be compared to so. Yet ye baby. Because we knew the weight of Sayare Abbey. Now Yare Abbey catches will be anti-nefi. The more BNP, you may say a Yare Leni Suntino, the more BNP. Now Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, head of the economic management team, where P. this comparison analysis. Next, some America in near Coty of years, no. Any dear Mahmoud Bawumia, no. Sebio, senseless, no use, you know. Mine a ever senseless, and to know. Now, he started mentioning about macroeconomic indicators. Oh, NDC as a political party, during our governance, we brought in the highest growth rate of 14%. Basically, a BC that.
Oh, baby.
14% growth rate. A BC and another that go forward. Among a BC that. For 2012, 2010 to 2012. Growth rate of 14%. What's a single inflation rate? We enjoy single inflation rate for 3 consecutive years. And no more beside Papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Saka no number presidency. And no more beside say, but it was single inflation rate. What must more kind? Or see, the single inflation rate, it is not reflective on prices of goods and services when you go to the market. It's in the economy na Baby was in the young form. And may can on top of that. It's in the one Baby market. It don't. A Honda Ghana form to Abama Yeno. A Honda Befili said, so I bet I can say the indicators are so good that the economy is a fan in piano. Or see the best indicator the measure say economy good no. Go down to the market. And don't you know, young market near Korea in there. And now TV3 for a drum catamanto. And I know more interview traders. When they say we are importing tomatoes as a nation. And because the tomatoes didn't know, the other Ghanaian can afford only a rotten tomatoes. We read this ad and the name near that. A BC was Canada. Or see, this tomato are very fresh, mint in top. I just said you may taught their apron. na me dia kofi ni me yene na me ma akwa akodi. One of the obi okojomo kwa akoto ade no, they caught her live on camera our car assassin. And then me no can say for the first time in the history of Ghana, your mofra kosukuwa sebio eduane ombedi kwano omunye bini. And now Kumasi girls, passing my car 2 weeks ago, and 2 weeks ago I say mo.
That was the first years in there. Day for the first years. Day students no.
Good.
On by 2 weeks.
Good. But the problem has been there for almost about 3 months now. Obekaya last 2 months, Kumasi girls for be a demonstration. Am I the police for now soldier for echo school more echo boom?
School and say police for some uncle boom.
They be saying that you don't have to interview the police. Interview the students.
The students, most of them were not
willing to talk. But some of them came out. Say under the say young Mudino. The point is that there was issue in the school about food, Epiane. In the last 2 weeks or so, first years no, that's when you have problem with food. No, say I idea, I be a problem can't your senior secondary schools no. And now we headmaster now Kasa. Now we Juma Ebabebo. The fuel prices. And the fuel prices are another double for the year propaganda. Ubeka Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, almost they knew how to arrest the city. When they said the prices of fuel, no, it is exchange rate, no, say dollar, no, and when you're there, and the fuel price so cost. This particular fuel price increment was as a result of our exchange rate depreciation. And too much so now we can allowances, now we can say near Fenipa. Any sign of mana, or more show, no me do we are.
But is it not true? Under NDC Mahama, I'm for you, ma, and film you know, so you can tell us
or not.
Every now on Diclo,
And now, in fact, that policy, see, you wouldn't just have policy, it is still working. Under MPP.
No. We are decisional journalist.
First, but we teach any name for Juma. Or more internal bureaucracy and son now would deem the controller and accountant general. Am I recognized as an employee of the state? No, Santa's name did almost about 1 year, 12 months.
Yeah.
It's a fact.
Sure.
No, now it
did about 12 months. It will be about me for Juma. Now 12 months no. We didn't quite now go PA. A controller, accountant general say you are an employee of the state. And notice that police way by say if I were Juma or more internal bureaucracies need the obey now. I buy more 3 months. It's a phobia Juma. Bosuma Miansano, I was saying he didn't do controller and accountant general so that the person will pay. And then you are more happy before Adania Sam no.
Yes, and I say, you're not also any Jumani be an hour year. Be 2 years and I cut your mind.
Good.
I'm not a buyer, no. Not with an appointment letter.
Good.
I'm not a say. Appointment letter, you are in a shiabu. Somebody another appointment letter. I'm also assassin that you
good.
And
say, I don't know. There were people that were newly recruited. I don't know about money for 2 years, you know.
maybe.
Okay, what's the policy? It affects me. But then that policy, you know, has come to correct the system.
Okay.
It's necessary for you, so within 3 months, now so within pay auditor and accountant general, you have the right to even use that law to hold the government responsible. And now what's the end is for your call from near change or most say, and next law now, implement it, you know, and another that go for the and benefit it. Because we paid for the price. We paid for the price. Because that time you know, some people were affected. But it came to correct and they are now causing for so many years. And you better say, woman no education is, however, no, and your MDC for able to teach a fucking team the cause signal spy. We were the one who did it. You better to next team and cause signal spy. Fire service people. Sometimes Namo bank. Ushak it you are not teachers 40. Ushak it you are not police 40. Soldier 4, nurses for, any doctors for, any fire service for. It was a peanut. Yet near this single spine, a buyer, and then making sure that hey, the teaching field no, now for the above attractive. Now even the police service, and the Ubisa police need say, market no, I did 1 year, or go to Basatamus. And they mentioned it. And to me, someone no can not be say initial statement no make it, Now me the begin say, who say Ghanaians say we should understand the plight of the government because of COVID. But after the all quite no I say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Dini. I know all compared to Jamani Mahama. You see, you don't do that. Because me no can say no. When you say WHO for out of 106 people in Europe, 100 people have been vaccinated. Over Ghana, out of 106 people, only 6 people have been vaccinated. And then you sit down and then you're doing this comparison, not knowing what will happen in the next 2 years, 3 years. You don't know. Say COVID-19, the fourth wave, people, succeed wave, people, we have no single idea, say Mike. And nothing say, so when you say, that's what addressing Ghanaians. I think that you should be a bit circumspect, Kakra. Let's choose words carefully because look, even before 2020 budget, when they saw more projects, the finance minister, from a growth rate of 7%, they projected a growth rate of 3.4%. Even before COVID-19, 2019 projection for 2020, they projected say growth rate would dwindle from 7% to 3.4%. And to which means that
no.
The finance minister themselves, because the indicators were all showing, never all clear. Because said John Mama Yefi about John Mama time we had a growth of about 7%, and it went down to 3.67%.
3.4.
With the emphasis 3.5%. What you are saying, and then we handed over that to you. 2020. You ended the year with a growth rate of 0.95%. Let me see that.
So was COVID.
Let me see that. 0.95. 0.95%. MPP 2020. And to be known as the official figure growth rate have been known as is 0.95%. Until 2021 will end. Near the growth rate, we will still use the growth rate that we ended the year with, which is 0.95%. It's has said. Now with the growth rate of 0.95%, and the compare of your year 14%, and the compare of your year 7%, and the compare of your year 3.45%. Now we know economy assessment now in ONS.
But I forgot almost COVID,
You see,
COVID,
and America say good, and America say the projects will in 2019 for 2020 financial year. And no COVID the nyamba you. Now COVID the nyamba do Ghana. No, I hear projections say your growth rate will be so better because the economy.
I may not want to argue with you because I'll have to cross check with that.
Oh no, he's aware of it.
Is Mahama being fair?
Yeah.
Say or say Ghana yet. Obra on one who in the impact of COVID-19.
You see, if we had condemned Baumia for comparing COVID-19 to do so, I think we would have had the same privilege to also tell the current president, say,
former president,
the former president, say, if there are some working because of COVID-19, you didn't say COVID-19 about having impact on this country. However, does this government even recognize that there is a pandemic in Ghana?
Why not?
Sputnik V now and also someone found the buckle.
The time no.
What you are saying? And you know, the government itself, no. Can now say, because Ghana for me, the people are disappointed in the government. And not you know, the current government herself, no, does not even recognize there's a pandemic in the first place.
Are you sure?
Oh yes.
I say, Sami Buacheli Fiasamanke or say the good people of Ghana were in darkness for over 5 years under JDM led administration with incompetency, while they also initiated create, loot and share. But thank God for having Nanado as president to rescue us from it. And seeing the light, fellow Ghanaians ignore the NDC propaganda and support Nanado to break the AIDS. I good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying the show from Adenta. Tell the NPP man to accept that we are in crisis. We are suffering. Even my 2 daughters, I can't feed them twice a day.
Oh yeah.
That's very pity. Very sad. Afra, why? Afra. Venice travel and tour. And I make come for the amount. Say, Nadia, Kumasi, or Techima, or Ahafo region, or Western region, or Western North region, or Eastern region. Now, opposite to Kumawood on it. Now, told there. And may come for Venice travel and tour at the amount. So, say domestic and international ticketing, or Ghana, over the Kwatamali. Obaza uko enkran obaza be Kumasi ticketing no ye ho djuma sa so na be common on near outside Ghana so a ye ma ticket no bitimi aboa awanya bi ato visa so e na be kokoje a yan so be ya so ye ka kire se obaza uko UK atakura na 2 months se document ni na na papa nko ade a the present here the credibility o ho no so pa nti e bitimi e de wo akọ passport unibi opese bi ma wo a within 2 weeks na onsa ka ade na bo no so e ketua bi and birth certificates and our person here, hotel reservations and after booking of embassy appointment. A Venice travel and tour and I may come for a diamond. Yeah, you man check experience no ho and African credibility no so pa. Yeah, you see Kenny and Adao. Bra, na into me well. Your main office no was fantastic Kumasi. Your name Pokuare SHS no and Santasi Kumasi ya Santasi Kukesi Impani office no be one so ama every bia no do so ko Santasi Pokuare SHS opposite one na ye wo obefre 0242 902799 0242 902799 kan to be abeta koso bia no bra na ni nkomo frɛ na afi ye ni nkomo na yetumi emwa Boss Way Casket Shop wo Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout wo say eye na wanya na ope ifadaka ebo no de wo form de wo soro biara na de nti abusafani unya yiye nko ato na mwan na bra Boss Way na yentumi amwa anya no nko a ambulance video coverage ni na no Boss Way ami adom ye bi oya party outdoor engagement me de bia udi bia no ope canopies ope chairs ope sound system ope say ye de ma wo the greatest bia de fa program no bia no ba dan Boss Way casket na afi yentumi amwa Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout or any ebutuo 0243737457 0243737457 ofreya ami anto me baje so na afi no yatumi ene wo atu anamon sema emre no ekopa baram o meyan hwe video emra His Excellency eko German na ampani ko ye no de Ghana fo wo ho ebinum ede eye no na afi so Gabi otidakon enso de Ghana fo bi wo ho ede eye no mama ye go bi no kakra bi na ye mfa emra ye ba ebedi ho nkomo na ye busa boga na afi oyi ano se effect ban na ewo mu ede ema oman no so mapani bi di so otukwa komo na ye ni se ya asije ne sei o ha ba de bebro oman ya go kakra bi no se ya.
This is Otridaku. Yes. Before you see a president, you have to give him $20,000. This guy is corrupt. It's special aid to the president of Ghana. See him.
Good guy, bad guy.
This guy.
Good guy. Is he a good guy?
Bad guy.
Bad guy.
Yes. He doesn't listen to anybody. See, it's hard for you to see him. It's hard for you to see him in Ghana, but here is him. Before you see him, you have to pay $20,000. Now look at him here on the streets of New York. You see?
Ghana president. Ghana president.
Hey, shut my devil.
Ghana president.
Hey, Nana, feed the country, oh, feed the country. Nana, feed the country, we love you. Nana, we beg you, fix the country. Nana, we beg you, fix the country. Nana, fix the country, we beg you, fix the country. Fix the country, so we can come back home.
Begging for our rights all the time.
Fix the country so we can come back home. Oh, fix the country.
Country fix.
Fix the country so we can come back home.
Right. We the akoso ewamonone. This is not the first time I who be say the guy JDM so ho na oni esedu nkatia mko ye. The Ghana for be so mo ho eye na mo kra no mo nte Ghana. Ye na te Ghana. Mo mo tia bochire. Mo nya mo na mo tia bochire. Ena mutua tax ma mo mfo mo ye na te Ghana na ye se ja se ye kwa etim anta mo de ko ba de se na ja ba ho za be se aka de aba down so na mo ye se boga effective or they will have more minor just in a minute or two.
Yeah, in a minute, they're very quick. But how many just 30 seconds, Emma, the rate of said the enemy American growth rate now. In 2016, Ghana growth rate near 3.4%. 3.4%.
2019.
Yeah, 2019. Yes. 2019 is 6.5%.
Okay.
Right. 2017 8.1%.
Okay. It is 0.95 no.
0.15 no. 2020 the whole world Ghana and then it was the second. The whole Africa.
Finance minister projected the same.
No. Yes, the projection from 2019 the projection was 6.8%. Now it's 6.5. It's 6.8%. Oh, I remember job
okay.
Anyway. Anyway. Shame. What do you think?
I forgot we have a there.
No, you need so on what Jimmy this and we have finance. Let me know. One check it. Forget him some in Chantro. Me say forget him on the check it. Ghana growth. No year the show.
Yes,
growth rate. Because forget him say me you be in Chantro. And now inflation kwana under NDC 2016. Yes. And in 2016 inflation any konya double digit. Yes, in NDC time. Yes, okay, yes. NDC time 17.46%.
Okay.
About 7 a year back we say inflation. Ghana enya 9.84%. Yet to say that's a single digit inflation. Two tiaka say who could you? That time those times so top board there betima yet in the mouth be 10,000 and as for. Yes, you know.
Yes, I'm why you be paying?
Yes, me kai even ye be. Yes, sama. I said don't get yan Bahamas. That time German graduate them from Australia for night coaching at the Bisham. A boom na not doom so that time I called your coastal, my called Jibia free busia dia ba. E ja tom ayi mu ama mu hye na 7 penfo so sit afford di mi ana mampofo ho atom na sta ba ni ntem na so no e ba ye bu e de ekekai eno no ye de a se ye no remittances ye de bekuru mu hanu sei no a be bia adwuma no se amamu boni because na se anye ya it affects us.
So why do you say it there? Once you know say a government na about for investors. Why do you have to do it there?
In the bad way, no, it also affects us. Because so yes, Anna, you are giving an impression to the investors and say, yes, but Osha Ghana make German relation. Will grow freight. And then the biggest automobile industry, the whole of Europe, Volkswagen, Ghana, Toyota, Nissan, Suzuki, other in it tells you say you are running a buoyancy economy. And the NDC, yeah, John Mahama Bo Bimo Power Gamo fix the country for sale. Munye de Denya, you know, Moma Jelamikeno, Wafamatra. Did you also Mahama? Oh, and then the Senate, correct. And the normal sale mine. I don't know what
because I'm a general once. Are we not painting our own country black?
Because they believe in expatriates. The expatriates so governance the end back home. It affects them. Exchange media, one of them taxes near the almost CP near the almost set up companies near there. So democracy. We live in a global village. It doesn't affect us in any way. The issue now and also as a man, say no can also your mama time.
How will you be? But really,
say, or bet me I can another that go for and a woman is on because as an individual, you say, what the investment one. I was said there should be a conducive atmosphere.
Okay.
So what I say, what Massimola is here. When you have a growth rate of 40%, or single inflation rate. Now say we investor. That's all we share feasibility studies now. You build something like Kumasimo, and the Kumasimo is here saying, and this person is here. Now, when employment Kumasimo and Kwandiapa because that time no. Inflation rate fantastic.
Right.
What you say? Once our car was wagging, I said, because of the buoyancy of the economy, what the credit name, now me come Kumasi more dia with your pie. Oh, you see we should be
0202684684
NPP
my name is Sedu Zimbo that at Tafo Kumasi Anado Baumia has nothing good to offer this country period. Oh, Mumia want to mame I was a production no the mafia but mafia for no quite at least it was 2 minutes square almost in Mr. Mean to not 2 minutes square Mr. And to be to have friend if you are 0202 668461 668462 Obemwa the best foul well
and the can say the economy here and now who will be Kumasimo and then Kumasimo has created about 1,000 jobs. I'll quite for a year Juma, more petty traders, cleaners, nightclubs, operation. The rippling effect in creation of job due to Kumasimo alone. It is worth to discuss. Who was wagging in the Volkswagen video before the buy employment saying no market to my Ghana say why your machines no why your cars no approach mobiles no not even one person has been employed in Ghana here from the Volkswagen or my employment with the makers okay and your mom paper from near them there fantastic
my factex for engineers will be
electrical yes the Volkswagen to Kumasimo say if you have a buoyancy economy that's what people see say Kumasimo the credit goes to the government at the end of the day. And the Indian Mamukoya Sadeno, Germany, no, and Tiamrebia, and Google and Nimasi, because even the Germans even understand the democratic dispensation they won't know.
Okay.
Because they came to set up the company here,
right?
And they know the situation here. Who got some money?
Okay.
They know it. I know it's not grant you almost say, Omo Tisantes Kokono, and say Oman Penny within the jurisdiction. Who got some Makwaya?
Right. Yeah, the same in your Fugawasi Aka said, yeah, Mammy, what can say now, the real global economy, no, ACT, no. When we say, baby, I and said, no, can I do cite with Union Momo, because of pandemic, them use economical attribution, Nanado, way back, first time up to data, and you're my AC economy. And Yeguso Nanado, we believe in him, say Ghana. he's fixing the economy. Yeah, is the air con. Ti woman call ye said there, omo air no. A German for they know. There are so many social interventions. Omo trem ni omo free say Vonu by FM, Kinder by FM, Familian by FM. Ni nyina ye hefina e ba omo abana dey atete so ba matete so 32% 46% eno mo ne eti no eno ne ya ye koso enti no fear SHS no akwa bi ko dey ma me kura be ko no
after mo find chemi for my production team disrespecting you this evening
NDC for grana
omo do Enfa ebi travel and logistics. Malam Mohammed Hospital Health Center. And Venusberg Travel and Tour. Moti Joshua Babi Fuga, leading member of the NDC Communication to Ashanti region. Moti Nika and Afi so Moti Boga Eric Oti and so Enka founding member Edema NPP Austria. Moti also coming. And it's Mike on behalf of the entire crew. Loretta Augustina, Kobe Frank, that of Ochi Nozo, I feel so director, Samuel Kwabna Dakon, and I feel producer. And I day. Namia Mochina, more Ebeti Yanka Yakram.